Advocate Makapela contends that the misrepresentations the state made have rendered its jurisdiction to trial Cholota null and void. She says her client abandoned bail application in the USA and spent more than 4 months in prison because of false claims by the state that she was a flight risk and had connections in Kenya, claims that the state is said to have recanted. Cholota is among other charges accused of being responsible for fraudulently accepting and making payments between her former boss Magashule and the late director of Diamond Hill Trading Pikolumzi Ikompambane.
The state lied, alternatively misrepresented to U.S. authorities that there was reasonable and probable cause for the charges against Ms. Cholota. Subsection 1. She was charged after she would not implicate Mr. Magashule, accused number 13, in a witness interview by the state's investigators on 21 and 22 September 2021.
Cholota also made an application to the court to have her bail conditions relaxed. Her lawyer stated that she was the only accused who still has stringent conditions that require her to report to the police station every Monday and Friday. The court granted the order, adding that she will have to report to the police when leaving the province.
Yes, she must be to some extent be treated differently than the other accused. The other accused, some of them, they were called and they presented themselves, not accused everything. We struggled for 2 years to get her out of the United States.
Meanwhile, former Free State Premier Magashule has also pleaded not guilty to all charges leveled against him. Magashule maintains that charges against him are trumped up and politically motivated.
I confirm and I agree with what they are saying.
Yes.
I also checked with to say, is the state also sure that they understand the counts?
Councillor has said, Mr. Magashule, I take it that you plead not guilty to all the counts against you.
Not guilty.
Thank you.
The lawyer of Magashule and businessman Edwin Sodi reminded the court that any evidence emanating from the Zondo Commission on state capture cannot be used in a court of law.
Accused 3 and 4 ought to be excused from prosecution in terms of Regulation 8.1 of the state capture regulations. Sub 4, in the alternative, the evidence given by accused 3 on behalf of both accused 3 and 4 at the State Capture Commission infringes their fair trial rights as provided for in terms of Section 35 of the Constitution and may not be relied upon in any trial against accused 3 and 4. Sub 5, in this regard, on 28 March 2022, Justice Naidu held that these issues were issues that should be determined by the trial court.
Meanwhile, a warrant of arrest was issued for Michelle Mbambani, who represents her late husband's company Diamond Hill Trading. She missed 2 days of court and through her lawyer informed the court on day 2 that she is unable to be in court due to ill health. Mbambani's legal representative has reported that she is held at a clinic and provided a medical report. The warrant will be effected should she fail to appear in the next appearance. SABC News, Bloemfontein.